Welcome to ZPro Studio.
Are Windows updates interrupting your work with unexpected restarts, downloads, or system slowdowns? If you need to temporarily stop Windows Update, there are several ways to control when updates happen on Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you the easiest methods to pause or limit Windows updates, along with an important warning about disabling them permanently. Let's get started. Method 1. Pause Windows updates. The easiest and safest option is to pause updates temporarily. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Look for Pause Updates and select the available pause option. This temporarily stops Windows from installing updates and is useful if you're working on an important project, playing a game, or simply don't want your computer restarting unexpectedly. Once the pause period ends, Windows will resume checking for updates. This is the best option if you only need a short break from updates. Method 2. Use a metered connection. If you're trying to reduce update downloads because you're using limited internet data, you can set your network connection as metered. Open Settings, go to Network Internet, and select your active Wi-Fi connection. Turn on metered connection. Windows will limit certain background downloads, including some Windows Update activity. Keep in mind that this doesn't completely disable Windows Update, and some important updates may still be downloaded. Method 3. Stop the Windows Update service. If you need more control, you can temporarily stop the Windows Update service. Press Windows R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find Windows Update in the list. Right-click it and select Properties. You can stop the service and adjust its startup behavior. However, this method should be used carefully because Windows Update is an important part of system security. When you need updates again, return to the same settings and re-enable the service. Advanced options. Windows Pro and Education users can also use Group Policy to control automatic update behavior. Windows Home users may find registry-based methods online as well. However, these are advanced options, and changing the wrong setting can cause system problems. For most users, there is usually no need to modify the registry just to stop updates temporarily. Turn off Delivery Optimization. There's another setting you can adjust if your main concern is update bandwidth. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, Advanced Options, and Delivery Optimization. You can turn off the option that allows downloads from other PCs. This can reduce unnecessary network usage, especially on slower or limited connections. Should you permanently disable Windows Update? Here's the most important part. You generally shouldn't disable Windows Update permanently. Updates frequently include security fixes, bug fixes, driver improvements, and compatibility updates. Keeping your computer completely unpatched can leave it vulnerable to security problems. Instead of permanently disabling updates, consider pausing them when necessary, using a metered connection when appropriate, or scheduling updates for a convenient time. Conclusion. So, if you want to stop Windows Update temporarily, start with the safest options. Pause updates for a short period, use a metered connection to reduce downloads, or temporarily manage the Windows Update service if you understand the risks. Avoid permanently disabling updates unless you have a specific reason and know how to manage the security consequences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ZPro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.